Hello everyone, welcome back. For this video, we'll go over our backtesting functionality that here we call it historical replay. There are currently a few web-based backtesting tools out there for investors to use. However, we are the only tool that integrate institutional order flow analytics into the backtesting engine so that investors can practice and learn how to integrate this new dimension of information into their own trading strategies. Now let's go into the details. Again, after investor logging into our webpage, to their accounts, go to the premium trading tool. At the landing page, click on the historical replay. Give it a unique name. In my case, I just put the test 25. And here, investor can choose forex or cryptocurrency that they want to backtesting. But I think currently we are still doing some server migration on our crypto as backtesting. In total, the user are able to test maximum up to 4 assets simultaneously. So let me just choose Aussie dollar, US CAD, gold, and USD yen. We give the test back to August 1st, 2025. I think the right now we limit the maximum backtesting length to be 1 year because the data set is very big and it will take a lot of your web page resource to complete such a long historical backtest. And here on the about the time frame, 1 minute is too short. Let me just this time frame is regarding to the candle size, and let's just put 1 hour. And the model we just for 1 hour it will be because we're testing our data up to the 1 minute accuracy. So there's no other choice here. And the initial deposit, the leverage, and the commission, let's just set to be $4 per round lot. Means that for every buy and sell of 1 lot of assets, you will be charged $2 and confirm. Since we choose 6 pairs, it might take a little long to load all the data. Okay. So a little information about how to navigate through this backtesting engine. If you roll your mouse, it will change, zoom in and zoom out on the horizontal time scale. And if you hold down your shift and roll your mouse, it will be, you'll change the y-axis, the price scale. So we chose each bar to be 1 hour. And here we can accelerate or slow down the simulation. And we can always pause, look at the chart, and resume. Again, all our time are displayed in UTC to remove any confusion. Okay, here we are able to look at different asset that we chose. Let me just remove the volume profile chart because that is a little bit harder to digest, we'll go into detail on how to use that indicator in the future session. So the top panel is very clear, just the price. As you see, it's keeps simulating on what's happening. The date is August 1st. And the below chart, this panel is the same you see in the live chart. Is the same as you see the CVD, this part. But here you can see as it develops, as the market goes forward. And then the next panel is we can place orders, market orders or pending orders. For pending orders, this is very similar to all commercial trading platform that you can place buy limit and stop orders. And the settings here, I won't go into details about these information. And okay, so every time you click on the new order, the simulation will automatically pause, and you can click continue resume to continue the backtesting. Here, this part is the same as we showed earlier. In order for us to draw the 24 hours or 48 hours maximum and the minimum for the institutional order flow, we need this parameter. And in our backtesting, it is here. So right now it hasn't been 24 hours yet, so you won't see the maximum and the minimum. Let's just move forward a little bit. Okay, so one thing, if you double click, the chart will reset. If you double click, the chart will reset. And even though I can move this around, the time will match. The most recent data point will always match the most recent candle bar. The time aligns. Okay, let's resume. Let's move a little bit. Okay, I think August the 1st was a Friday, and now it's been August 3rd is the Sunday, and August 4th is the Monday. So now 24 hours, it's been more than 24 hours. You can see the high and low of the past 24 hours institutional order flow. Now you can see the order flow is pushing up. So let's place a long trade. The market is moving against us. So this video is the main purpose is to show you all the functionalities. So we won't go into details on how to use this indicator. But as you can just see, you can see all the open trade down here. It's very similar to what MetaTraders or CTraders UI. And we haven't placed any pending orders yet. Let's place a pending order here. You place a pending order. Interesting, what's going on? Oh, this is very embarrassing. I think it's because my computer is. I think my computer is running low on memory. That's why it's creating. this thing because my computer spec is really not very high. But anyway, let's just look at the market, some market orders. Okay, so right now there's no pending orders placed. There's nothing here. On the position chart, all the trade of same symbol will be categorized as one position. So you see right now we are long. We open 3 trades, each of 0.0 lots. So in total, we have long in gold and total position exposure is 0.03 lots. Now market goes against us. Let's close all the trade. And because it seems like the institution money flow is poor, let's place a few short trade. It's a few short trade. Now we have 0.09 lot exposure to the short side. And let's just move. I think I just stopped. Okay. Keep adding more. It seems like the price is actually going down. And we can close the entire position for a small profit. Or we can keep shorting and we can close each individual trade here. And all the closed trades will be listed in the historical section. And at the end of, if you can, at the end of the simulation, the entire program will stop, or you can stop anytime if you want to end the backtest right now. It will ask you whether you confirm to stop the backtest and then confirm, and then it will ask you, do you want to generate a report? The detail of the report will be in we'll go over in another video, but this is the end of our demonstration of how to use the historical replay functionality on our web page. Until next time, have a good trade.